Need spark plug gap for a Briggs Stratton 17.5 horsepower. 502cc emgine 13 and 77 TG. Thank you.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Briggs & Stratton engine? How old is it?
Plug replaced was 2 years old, at least.
How long has this been going on with your Briggs & Stratton engine? What have you tried so far?
My tractor was running perfectly last week, then backfired and quit running. Cannot get it started since. Replaced battery and starter switch, but the engine, still, will not turn over. I'm thinking starter but do not know how to check it.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No, but thank you. Don't get the grass cut soon, my wife is going to shoot me.
Hello, my name is. I have been a small engine mechanic for 18 years and hopefully I can offer you some assistance. I see that you were looking for the spark plug gap on your Troy-built mower with a Briggs & Stratton engine. Is that correct? The correct spark plug gap for your engine is 0.30.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Happy to assist.
Quick and easy. Thank you.
Feel free to use us anytime.
I replied, thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.